Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Army awards $52 million contract to Skydio for over 2,500 X-10D tactical drones in rapid procurement. The US Army has placed an order exceeding $52 million with Skydio for more than 2,500 X-10D drones, marking the largest single-vendor small unmanned aircraft system procurement in its history. The contract moved from bid to award in less than 72 hours, reflecting an accelerated acquisition process. The Skydio X-10D is designed to provide intelligence, reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities at the platoon level. The system is built to operate in contested environments, including conditions where GPS signals may be unavailable. The drone uses onboard navigation cameras to map terrain in real time, enabling autonomous flight without reliance on external positioning systems. It is also equipped with a multiband radio to maintain connectivity in areas with high electromagnetic interference. The platform includes high-resolution visual and thermal imaging systems to support day and night operations. These features are intended to provide continuous situational awareness while allowing operators to remain undercover. Skydio said the order reflects the growing importance of small autonomous systems in modern military operations. This order reflects the decisive role small autonomous systems now play in modern conflict and the Army's commitment to putting those capabilities in soldiers' hands, said Mark Valentine, Global Head of National Security Strategy at Skydio. It also shows that the United States can deliver world-class drone capability at the scale and speed required by today's operational environment, Valentine added. The order was placed through Atlantic Diving Supply and builds on the Army's earlier selection of Skydio for its short-range reconnaissance program in 2022 and 2025. The company is the only manufacturer to have been selected in both program phases. Skydio said its systems are currently used by all branches of the U.S. military as well as by 29 allied nations. The latest contract reflects continued confidence in the company's technology as the Army expands its autonomous reconnaissance capabilities. All X-10D drones are manufactured at Skydio's facility in Hayward, California. The company said each unit undergoes assembly and testing across 550 checkpoints to meet operational reliability standards. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.